Are you the best rolling kitchen carts? Rolling kitchen carts are versatile solutions for maximizing storage space, improving kitchen organization, and adding functionality to small or large spaces. Whether you're looking for a compact utility cart, a stylish coffee station, or a sturdy microwave stand, these products cater to diverse needs. For this comparison, I evaluated 5 rolling kitchen carts based on their design, material quality, storage capacity, ease of assembly. Product number: Simple Houseware 3-tier heavy-duty metal utility rolling cart. The Simple Houseware 3-tier heavy-duty metal utility rolling cart is an affordable and practical option for consumers seeking basic storage and organization. With a compact design measuring 12.5 inches deep by 17 inches wide by 31.5 inches high, this cart is ideal for tight spaces. Its sturdy alloy steel construction ensures durability, while the 3 metal baskets provide ample storage for kitchen essentials. The swivel casters, 2 of which are lockable, allow for smooth mobility and stability when needed. The white finish adds a clean, minimalist aesthetic that can complement various kitchen styles. Performance-wise, this cart excels in lightweight storage tasks, with a weight limit of 220 pounds. Its compact dimensions make it ideal for apartments or smaller kitchens where space is a premium. However, the assembly process, while straightforward, requires attention to detail to ensure stability. Users have praised its sturdiness and mobility, but some have noted that the baskets may not be suitable for heavier items. Overall, it's a reliable budget option for light-duty storage and organization. Product 2. Amazon Basics Portable Kitchen 3-tier Storage Rack. On the Amazon Basics Portable Kitchen 3-tier Storage Rack offers a mid-range solution with a combination of chrome-plated steel and a wood tabletop. Measuring 14.96 inches deep by 20.87 inches wide by 36.73 inches high, it provides a sturdy frame and adjustable shelves that can hold up to 175 pounds total. The inclusion of 4 chrome hooks adds functionality for hanging utensils or towels. Its multi-purpose design makes it suitable for kitchens, offices, and laundry rooms, adding flexibility to its use cases. This cart stands out for its adjustable shelf heights, allowing users to customize storage space based on their needs. The wood top is durable and adds a touch of elegance, making it a suitable option for showcasing appliances like microwaves or coffee makers. Assembly is tool-free, which simplifies setup, although the cart's heavier weight, 25.7 pounds, may make initial handling slightly cumbersome. While the price is higher than the budget model, its robust construction and versatility justify the cost. Product 3. Finhomie 3-tier rolling kitchen cart with 18-inch D, 30-inch width. The Finhomie 3-tier rolling kitchen cart is a premium option designed for heavy-duty storage and functionality. Its industrial-strength steel frame and 20mm thick oak wood tabletop ensure durability and a weight capacity of up to 500 pounds on the bottom shelf. Measuring 18-inch D, 30-inch width, 33.4-inch height. It offers a spacious work surface and adjustable shelves for customized storage. The pull-out slider shelf adds convenience for accessing appliances, while the 4-inch commercial-grade wheels enhance portability. This cart is ideal for consumers who need a robust storage solution for heavy kitchen appliances or outdoor use. The anti-rust chrome finish ensures long-term durability, even in humid environments. Assembly is straightforward, and the adjustable shelf heights provide flexibility for various storage needs. While its $96.99 price point is the highest in this comparison, the premium materials and thoughtful design make it a worthwhile investment for serious home cooks or professionals. Product 4. 3-tier rolling pantry floor organizers. The OKZest 3-tier rolling pantry cart is designed for pantry organization and countertop use, offering large capacity storage for items like fruits, vegetables, and snacks. Measuring 12 inches deep by 16.14 inches wide by 23.62 inches high, its compact design fits well under pantry shelves or on countertops. The reinforced alloy steel frame and baking paint finish ensure durability, while the slide-out bottom tray simplifies cleaning and maintenance. Lockable wheels add stability during use. This cart excels in organizing smaller kitchen items and pantry goods, making it a great choice for households with limited storage space. Its lightweight construction, 5 pounds, ensures easy mobility, but its weight capacity of 100 pounds limits its utility for heavier items. Assembly is quick and straightforward, and users appreciate the versatility of using it as a countertop organizer or floor-mounted storage cart. However, its smaller dimensions may not suit larger kitchens or extensive storage needs. Product 5. Rolling Kitchen Microwave Cart. The 3HiO Rolling Kitchen Microwave Cart combines functionality and style with its wood and metal construction. Measuring 15.75 inches deep by 23.62 inches wide by 30 inches high, it offers ample space for a microwave, coffee station, or bar cart. The 4 rotating casters, 2 of which are lockable, ensure smooth mobility and stability. Its modern design, featuring a brown and black finish, complements contemporary kitchen aesthetics. Performance-wise, this cart is versatile and sturdy, with a spacious design for medium-sized appliances. The inclusion of S-shaped hooks adds convenience for hanging utensils or towels. Assembly is straightforward, and users have praised its stability and aesthetic appeal. However, its weight capacity is lower than premium models, and the MDF tabletop may not be as durable as solid wood alternatives. At $49.99, it offers good value for those seeking a stylish yet functional cart.